Back in my garage. I'm gonna try to fix it, the speaker. This one is kind of resonation there when the volume is high. It's a treble speaker. So yeah, we're gonna try to remove the cover on the door and try to get to that speaker and see what's wrong, if I need to change it or I can fix it somehow. I'm so big idiot. Never leave things on the ground, especially if they're plastic and you want to use them later. Look what I did. This one, the cover, I fucking went with my feet over it. So I might search for the new one. We'll see. And now actually I don't know if I'm sure if I'm doing good. Just seen once one YouTube video how to take off, and I'm really thinking that I should go up to my apartment and see one more time the video, because I don't want to break it something. I would be like really sad and pissed off. So yeah, go watch it, then come back down and try to do it. Okay, I just found out there are some more screws I need to take out. I didn't know, I completely forgot.
If not, again, it's not a big deal. We'll get them up on the workbench.
Great idea, I came actually. Back here, let's continue to it something what I forgot to do it. Success! Well, not really. I need to take the cover off. There is one thing didn't show in the video, or what, I don't know, doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to do it anyway. There was like from this thing, there was like little wire kind of going out, it was not properly sealed or glued, so I'm gonna take up and try to glue it, and I think that's it. That was the problem. Everything else looks okay, and try to fix it and see if it works. So yes, going up again, before last time. Hopefully, which means I can fix it.
12 seconds later.
Did I say I'm idiot today? I think I did, because I'm start thinking I really am idiot. You know what? Forget the keys from apartment in the car, so I have to go to the car, take the keys. Oh, nice echo here. Maybe I can get some lessons of singing here, training. Take the keys and going again to the elevator. I have a keys, I have a keys. Woohoo! I like echo, especially in the mountain, you know, when you are some peak and you kind of screaming down to the valley. You have a nice echo there. I have to heat up this pistol, I don't know how it's called. Looks like pistol, and it's kind of glue coming out from that. Yeah. The glue is coming, just need a little bit. Oh, my hand's shaking. Okay, this one, I'm gonna use it. Just gonna use it a little bit. Oh shit. Need to give it more heat. Good try. Okay. Actually, it's kind of tricky. I think I did a good job. You know, I need to make sure because I don't want to plug in the speaker and then unplug again and dismantle and do it again. Maybe a little bit more glue here. Gonna get a little scissors. Oh no, too much. Oh, it's freaking hot. Looks like I did good job. Just maybe little more. I need a little more glue from this side. I'm done. Okay, let's put it speaker on the place. can do sound check. Success! Wow! Well, I don't know if it was a success, but so far success. We see the sound. Did I just say we see the sound? I didn't need any mushroom or LSD. I'm not gonna see the sound, but I'm gonna hear the sound. Okay, in the car, radio is going. I found some song with the trebles, so I'm gonna volume up and we'll see if it works. I can hear something. I need to study the sound more. I think it's not the same thing that I heard before, but yeah, I clearly hear something resonate there. I might take everything apart again, or I leave it for tomorrow. What time is it? Oh my god, 20 minutes to midnight. I think I'll do it tomorrow. I don't want to do it today. Finally, success. Yeah, volume was a little more high than I tried before, so the sound from before is gone, but there is like little resonance when it's like really high. I'm not gonna listen to music on that level, but anyways, like full maximum power was not good quality, so I'll have to stick with little less sound, but it's still like really loud, you know. So, and as well, my songs, they're not that treble kind of songs. They're more bassy, and yeah, can't wait. I open the roof, listen my music, and look around the beautiful world. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog now. I would love you if you subscribe this channel, but I will love you as well when just click the video and you will just view it and you'll get to this part. And if you like it, just click like button, and you can comment it as well, you know, like how you doing, Jacob, or whatever. You can do anything you like, because this is my and yours channel as well. So see you in next episode. Ciao.